actually living on the island for like my whole life. It's my first time out, so I'm really excited.
It's been years since I've been on a boat, and I think it would be really fun to see a dolphin.
I'm looking forward to seeing dolphins in the wild.
Guys, see this? We're taking our fins and putting them back to back.
And if at any time you guys are uncomfortable with your snorkel or any of your equipment, feel free to take it off, okay? You can always take it off and breathe normally like that. Okay, so we have our gear in our bundles, right? Everybody's looks like this. Okay, shall we head to the front?
Yes.
I know, how do we remember? Oh, we also have to watch out for Julia's stuff too.
Aloha! I'm just so excited that the Moanalua Ocean Club has a once-in-a-lifetime experience for half of the students here who have never seen dolphins in the wild. And so I'm just so excited.
Just the dolphins.
Just the dolphins.
Yeah, just dolphins. Like, I've never seen them in the wild, so I'm just really excited. Being respectful to the animals. We're just going to watch from the surface, let them do their thing down below. We're not going to touch any animals today, and we're not going to feed any animals today, okay?
Test on this, so remember, 12 different cetaceans.
Yeah. Bottlenose dolphins are even considered rare. The easiest way to spot these guys is to look for their blows, okay? Hopefully we don't get snarched today. Is that these creatures have their own choice. It's their choice as to whether or not they show up. It's their choice as to whether or not they come see us. And everything is done with respect and aloha.
I just want to see the animals in the water because I've never seen them in real life. I've only seen them like in movies and stuff. Has anybody ever seen a spinner dolphin before?
Not in real life. Same.
So these guys are super cute. They're one of the smallest species of dolphin in the world, one of the smallest here in Hawaii. They're about our size. The dolphins are up straight ahead. I see a few boats up there hanging out with them. So that is
They came right over. It's Crimp. Oh my gosh, they came right over.
They did.
Oh my God. So we do know one of those dolphins. It is Crimp. He's got a bent over dorsal fin. All of the social bonding.
I think we have a pod of about 300 out here on the west side, and they'll go out all together at night to hunt, but when they come back here during the day, they'll break up into their smaller family groups so that they can rest more easily. Hey guys! Go, they're coming. Here guys, go in front of me, you go.
Oh, hey buds. That's so cool. We're the main one after.
Yeah, so see how they're paired up or in threes or fours? They come up together in a pair and in a three. So when they're like that, the right dolphin will have his right brain on, and the left dolphin will have his left brain on. So they're both watching their respective sides, keeping everybody safe.
Awesome.
They don't each other.
There they are.
Yeah, exactly. Bottlenose are so water. It's almost impossible to run over a dolphin, so don't have to worry about that. Okay. Yes, they are very spatially aware. there, they know exactly where the boat is, and they will come to the boat. If you make a little bit of a wave in the water that they can actually surf on, so that's called bow riding. Yes, yeah, they're coming.
And it actually conserves some of their energy.
What's happened?
It has. They saw dolphins, and it's thrilling.
How is this seeing them in the wild?
Amazing. It's really cool. They're just like right there. It's like I've never seen them that close. Like even if I can't go in there with them and they're asleep, it's so cool.
Yeah, it's really beautiful.
Here she goes.
Make a ponytail.
Ready, darling?
Swimming or eating off the turtle shell, that was super cute.
Yeah, I thought it was a great experience. I thought it was so beautiful, like seeing all the creatures in their natural habitat.
My favorite part about snorkeling was I saw a baby turtle and it was so cute. And then the big turtle started swimming towards me and it was just looking at me and it was just really cool.
A big mahalo to Tori at Wildside and her staff, Noelle and Melanie and Downey, who provided my students with this wonderful opportunity. Thank you very, very much. We really appreciate it.